We're going on a hike today, woohoo! Finishing up our morning coffee because we have not had TMI, but we have not had our morning poops, Jahnavi and I. So we're really excited to drink some coffee and get some movement in our bowels going, you know, and she's currently in the restroom, so I think it's working. What a great start to this video. We're going on a hike. Let's do this. Is the coffee working?
Yeah.
Yeah! You ready to go on a hike? Excuse me, ma'am. What you doing in the front? You know you don't belong there. We made it to the wilderness. Ladies. It smells so freaking good. I love this smell. Okay, so we're gonna try to get in the water. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool.
We will get in there.
Going potty. They're not hiking doggies.
Freedom! It's so good! Yes. Oh, I don't see her. There she is! Pepsi, you did it, girl!
I think we are getting ready to go. It's getting a little chilly here, but it's so peaceful and it smells so good out here. I don't want to leave. Okay, so obviously we're in my backyard right now, and it seems like both neighbors are as well, so that is the noise in the background. But anyways, the clips you just saw were of my mom, me, and Jahnavi. We decided to go maybe an hour up the mountain from where we live to a beautiful little hike that led us to a waterfall, and it was a great time. It was a beautiful hike, a nice swim with icy cold water. The clips were not long enough though, so I'm on our way back home. We stopped at a thrift store and we got quite a lot of awesome things. So I think I'm gonna try them on and just show them on camera, kind of like a thrift haul, if you will. So yeah, and I'm also just gonna casually paint. So that's just.
Where's the cutie? Where's the cutie?
It is officially getting really dark and I can't see anything. I can't see my drawing. It looks not good from here. Like, you can't even tell what it is. Honestly, I don't even know what it is, but it looks more like a watercolor painting, or yeah, but it's not. I just don't know what it is. Honestly, it was kind of one of those nights where I didn't really want to create anything. I just wanted to splatter paint at canvas. So that's exactly what I did with this. Anyways, yeah, everything I got was under $20. So everything I think was, oh, no, just kidding. I think everything all together with the jackets included was like $25. It was incredibly cheap. The jackets I actually ended up getting at an estate sale, which I never go to, but I went in, got the jackets. Yeah, baby. Anyways, thanks for joining. See you later.